Hello everyone and welcome to Candy Creations. My name is Candice and today in another episode of my Christmas edition I will be finishing off my decorations for my tree. As you can see, it just still has the garland on it, so I really want to finish make all my decorations for my tree, and then we'll be doing some decorating. So let's get crafting. So for this ornament, I'm going to recycle this empty toilet roll, and I'm just going to squish it down to half, and then I'm going to measure out. It's usually about 10 centimeters, so you'll get about 10 strips in each one, and I'm going to measure out each centimeter. And now I'm going to cut them into strips. Now this is one that I made last year, so I'm using this more or less as a guide, and we have about 3 sizes. We have this size, and then we have this side which is about half of a strip, and then the smaller piece inside. So to get the biggest size, which is this, I measured 1 3/4 of an inch, which is about here. And when you cut this, you get 2 sizes. So this will be this piece on the outside here, and then this smaller piece will be the one on the inside. And then to get the in-between pieces, we simply fold this one in half, and then you cut it in the crease, and that will be these center pieces here. And so now we're just gonna cut all my pieces and then stick them up. So looking at the difference between the one I did last year and this one, I think that the piece in the center here is a bit too big. So going forward, I'm just going to cut a little bit off of the center pieces, and that should look better inside. So now that I'm finished sticking all my snowflakes, flowers, whatever you want to call them, I did add an extra dot of glue on the top just to kind of finish the look, because this is how it looks otherwise. So now I'm going to spray paint all of them in gold, red, and green, and then I will glitter the tops of them as well. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna make is some poinsettia flowers that are going to be like picks in the tree, except it doesn't have the wire in the back. So as you can see, I have my petals already cut out, and I have two sizes because I'm going to layer them, and these circles are just what I'm going to use to stick the petals on, as you will see just now. And then I have these pearls that I'm going to use as the center of the flower. So let's get sticking. So this next flower, it's going to be pretty similar, but I'm just using this cream colored burlap along with some golden lace that I'm going to layer the flower with. And then I have some bigger pearls that I'm just going to put to the center of this one. Now looking at all the ornaments that I have so far, they are all either gold, red or green, and I really wanted to put some silver in there. And the first thing that I thought when I thought of silver was silver bells, and trying to use what I already have to make silver bells was a bit of a challenge, but eventually I came up with using this wire to bend it around this bell that I already had to get the shape of the bell. And then I'm gonna use some silver lace to make the face of the bell, and then I do have some little silver bells that I'm going to hang on the bottom of it, and you'll see how it all comes together. For this last ornament, I just wanted to mix up the shapes a bit. So I wanted something a bit more vertical, like an icicle. So digging around in my stash again, I found some clear beads, along with some wooden balls and some pearls. And this is the easiest of them all. I'm just going to string them on this silver thread and just tie it off to the top. Okay everyone, thank you for sticking with me and watching through my journey of creating my decorations for my tree. I so love it. I was even able to decorate towards the back of the tree, which is something I did not do last year because I was a bit low on ornaments. So this year I definitely have way much more, and I definitely will be keeping some of them in my collection for next year. When I look at a tree, it means so much to me now because I know that I made each one of them glitter and bent wire, and it was a lot of fun. So everyone, thank you for watching this video. Do stick around because I still have the shelf to decorate, so stay tuned for that. But for now, God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.